In this video, I'm going to show you 5 free technical SEO tools that will help you find and fix issues on your website and ultimately drive more traffic for you. Hi everybody, I'm Gaz and I'm a freelance technical SEO and SEO strategist, and in this video I'm going to talk you through 5 of my favourite free technical SEO tools. So these are tools that I actually use on a daily basis, although some of them do have paid versions that you can upgrade to. Ultimately, SEO tools can begin to add up, and it can become very expensive if you're using separate tools for reporting, keyword research and technical SEO, for example. So it's important to make use and utilise any free tools out there that are available on the market. Without further ado, let me jump onto the laptop and talk you through these tools. So the first free technical SEO tool that I want to talk about is Google Search Console. Google Search Console, formerly known as Google Webmasters, is a free platform for anyone with a website to monitor how your website's performing. On a day-to-day basis, I'll use Google Search Console for loads of things, including to identify and fix 404 errors, to test URLs to see if there's any issues preventing them from being displayed in the SERPs. You can also see from the URL testing tool what pages are linking to it and if the URL is present in your sitemap. In Google Search Console, you can also submit a sitemap that contains desired URLs for Google to crawl, and you can identify any issues with your sitemap on Google Search Console. You can also analyze and diagnose core Web Vitals issues and have a look at your page experience to make sure that your website's mobile friendly. For more information on Google Search Console, I actually recently done a video on 10 Google Search Console technical SEO hacks, so make sure to check that out if you want some more information on this tool. So next on the list is Screaming Frog. So the Screaming Frog SEO Spider is a website crawler that helps you improve your on-site SEO by auditing for common SEO issues. So there's both a free version and a paid version for Screaming Frog. So the free version allows you to download the software and audit websites for up to 500 URLs, but the paid version is actually relatively cheap and it allows you to audit really large websites and access advanced reports. So if you have a large website or maybe you're just getting into technical SEO, I definitely recommend checking out Screaming Frog. Screaming Frog's one of the technical SEO tools that I use on a daily basis, as it allows you to audit hundreds of common technical SEO issues. It helps you find broken links, analyze page titles and metadata, discover duplicate content, audit and generate XML sitemaps, as well as extract certain HTML via XPath. My absolute favourite feature about Screaming Frog is the fact that you can integrate it with Google Search Console, Google Analytics and Page Speed Insights tools to get a really good picture of how Google understands your website. So next on the list we've got Redirect Path, which is a relatively simple but awesome SEO tool. So Redirect Path does what it says on the tin. It's a Chrome extension that allows you to quickly check the redirect path of a URL. So ultimately this plugin gives you all of the information you need about a domain's redirect and where it leads to. So Redirect Path flags 301, 302, 404 and 500 response codes and brings to your attention any potential technical SEO issues you might have. What I love about this extension is that it's always working in the background, so when you're browsing on a website and you're clicking through pages, a notification will pop up to tell you the status code of the URL. I commonly use this tool coupled with Screaming Frog to identify and fix redirect chains and redirect loops. Next on the list is another Chrome extension called SEO Minion. So SEO Minion analyzes the on-page elements of a URL. So I use SEO Minion for a ton of things, including to analyze on-page SEO features such as meta descriptions, page titles and headings. You can also use it to check broken links and redirects. You can also check hreflang on international sites, and a really cool feature that I use is the ability to see the top SERP results for a particular keyword. But my absolute favourite feature is the ability to click on an on-page element such as a H2 tag and it'll highlight it on the page so you can scroll down and identify quickly and easily where that is on the page. SEO Minion or a tool like it is a must-have for any SEO or anybody interested in improving the visibility of their website. It's also really good for competitor analysis, so you can go on a competitor's website or a top performing page and analyze the on-page elements to see what H2 tags they're using and what pages they're linking to and from. So it's a really good tool. Okay, so next on the list is Webpage Test. Now, Webpage Test is an open source web performance tool that helps you diagnose page speed and performance issues on your website. Webpage Test is an online tool where each test can be run from a different location around the world on real browsers over any number of customized network conditions, and from there you can see how your website performs. So although this is open source, I use webpagetest.org, which was acquired in September 2020 by Catchpoint. Now, Catchpoint pledged to keep the usage of the tool free and plans to expand its capabilities. So on webpagetest.org you can run a variety of audits, including Lighthouse, Core Web Vitals, as well as general page speed tests. So the feature that I use the most is the video download feature. So what that does is it allows you to download a video of a step-by-step analysis of how your page loads. So for example, if your Core Web Vital is flagging for LCP, you could show a developer that actually our featured image is loading last, that's the LCP element, so maybe we need to preload this image asset. You should definitely bookmark webpagetest.org, and anytime you want to see how a web page is performing in terms of speed and Core Web Vitals, use this as one of your options. So last but not least is one of the most comprehensive free technical SEO tools out there, which is Google's own Chrome DevTools. Chrome DevTools is a set of web developer tools built directly into the Google Chrome browser. So the tool lets you inspect the rendered HTML and the network activity of your pages. So ultimately you can use Chrome DevTools to troubleshoot any issues your website has. So for SEO specifically, I use Chrome DevTools to audit various things, including to check your page's main content elements. It's great for auditing images and alt text, for example, and ultimately assess your page load time and identify any page speed issues. So my favorite feature on Chrome DevTools is the Lighthouse report. So the Lighthouse report looks at a load of different factors, including SEO, accessibility, and website performance, and gives you an easily digestible report. Next time you're on a web page, I honestly recommend having a play about and inspecting the page via Chrome DevTools. So to use Chrome DevTools, all you have to do is right click and press inspect, and there you can analyze any web page. So it doesn't have to be your own website. So as I said at the start of the video, SEO tools can quickly add up and become really expensive if you're signing up to a lot of different tools. So ultimately it's good to make use of all of the free tools available. So we've just been through 5 of the free tools that I use on a daily basis, but obviously there's loads of free tools out there that I've not discussed in this video. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you come back and check out next week's video.